Get Google Veo 3 100% free. For 15 months. Use from anywhere in the world. No credit card. No Edu Mail. No money required. Also use from phone. I will show everything in detail step by step. And complete guide to generate unlimited videos with Google Veo 3 for free. Just watch the full video. You will not disappointed. Make sure you do not skip this video, otherwise unable to get it free. Firstly, open your Google browser, then come and click to profile icon. Then click on Add Chrome profile from this menu. Then click on Sign In button. Then click on Create Account. We need to create a new Google account where we will use Google Veo 3 free. If you think you know how to create Google account and skip a bit, you will not able to get it free. Don't miss any part. Give a first name. And then last name. I suggest you to not use random name and number, because we will need to cancel our Google AI Pro subscription later. And also make sure you use birth year as 2004 because to get Google AI Pro free, we will need a student-aged Google account. Take your Gmail address, give a strong password. And write anywhere to use it later. To recover your account, must add your primary Gmail account, and if it asks for phone number, you must your or yours family member's number. I am telling you again, we will later cancel subscription from this account. So it is important to save it for later use. After our new Google account creation complete, we will need to add a VPN, go to 3. Then extension, then visit Chrome Web Store. Now search VEPN and get this free VPN, click to add to Google Chrome. Then click on Add Extension button. After successful installation, our browser is ready to use this VPN for free now. Open a new tab, then click on extension icon and then click on 3. On this free VPN icon and then click on Manage Extension. Now enable Allow in Incognito. Later we will need it. After enabling this, come to this VPN extension icon, a pop will be displayed, click on Continue then Start. We have successfully enabled VPN on our browser. We need it use VPN outside of USA. Now open a VEO tab and write Gemini AI student and search, then open this first link. I will give all links in description for your easy use. This is Gemini's homepage for students. Now click on Get Offer button. Now open a new tab and type nullsto.edu.pl. I will try to give all links in description. If you don't understand anything you can ask me on comment. I will reply every single comment one after one. In this website, take your Edu Mail for free. I suggest to take same username as you have taken for your Gmail address. Then click and select this domain and click this green button will immediately create a new Edu email for us. Copy this email address and come to previous tab and scroll down and click Verify Student Status button. Then paste that copied email address here, and click Verify button. Come back to Nulsto site and find the verification email. Open email and copy the verification code. Come back to Google site and then paste the copied code and click on Submit button. You will see, you are now eligible as Google AI Pro student. Click to Continue button. Now we need to add a card. Card must be a MasterCard. You can use anyone's card. It can be your personal, family members, or even your friends. No matter who is the owner of the card. If you are unable to manage a MasterCard, I will show how you can manage and create a virtual MasterCard for free at the end of this video, so stay connected. Make sure in cardholder name must be TE person name who belongs that card, and when you will fill up billing address you have to must select United States. For zip code we must add a zip code that our VPN is connected with. In my case, I connected with USA Virginia. So searching for the zip code of Virginia and copy a zip code of Virginia and then I will paste it to that zip code box. Stay focused here. Until now if you have any confusion, you can ask me on comment, I will answer all comments one by one. And if you find my video helpful and works for you then like and also subscribe to my channel. After paste the zip code on this box and then click on Save button, you will see a pop-up box will be appeared. Now click on Subscribe button, you will see another pop-up will become within few seconds will show you, subscribed. That means we have successfully subscribed to Google AI Pro. Now we can use Google Veo 3 for free. Stay connected, I am showing you everything. Congrats, we have got Google AI Pro successfully. Now open a new tab, and go to gemini.google.com to start using Google Veo 3. This is Gemini dashboard. We can now use all Gemini models as well as Google Veo 2 and Google Veo 3 and other Gemini features. We can make up to 3 videos with Google Veo 3 from this dashboard every day and this will deduct more credits for each generation. So we will go to Google Flow to save our credits and for more generation in a day. I have made this earlier, stay connected, I will show how you can create any video for your own for free with voiceover, background music everything. Now open a new tab and write Google Flow and then visit this website. I will put the links in description. Accept procedures of Flow and click Sign in with Google, then you will find Google Flow's dashboard. Click on Next and then click on Continue and finally click to New Project button to start your first AI video with Google Veo 3. You will find all VEO models here. We will use VEO3 Fast model. This will cost 20 credits for each generation. Now we will go to Google AI Studio to create our first prompt. Here, I want to show you a YouTube channel named Bigfoot Vlog. This channel got monetized within 10 days with only 30 videos, got 37,000 subscribers. Now we will create a video like this channel. This is the most popular video of this channel. Firstly, we will copy the URL and come to AI Studio. Then in AI Studio click on plus icon and then select YouTube video and then paste YouTube URL on this URL box and click Save button. Now give a command, extract this video. I want to recreate a same type video with Veo 3. And click on Run. AI will start analyzing this video and write a prompt for us. You can use this strategy to make any kind of similar video you like to make. Gemini extract the video part by part for us. Now I am asking to write detail prompt for Veo 3 part 1 and click on Run button. AI will write detail prompt, what we will just copy and paste to Flow to create our first Veo 3 AI video. Here is our detail prompt is ready to copy. Copy this prompt and come to Google Flow tab and then just paste and click on Start button. Make sure you select Veo 3 Fast model to generate. Wait for few minutes, AI will generate it for us. Stay connected, I will show more thing. If you find my strategy helps you, don't forget to subscribe. Here our video is ready. Let's see what AI generated for us. This generation
Hey there,
is
little buddy.
awesome, without any
Welcome
effort,
to my neck of the
any
woods.
thinking.
Hey there, little buddy.
Let's make second part. Doing the same process, copy and paste. See the second generation. This video is consistent and same character as well. You can download this video, firstly upscale, when upscaled will be completed then download the video. And with Flow we can do another thing, add to scene. You can add scene one by one and extend scenes to make consistent and long video generation can be possible. In this way, you can create 1-minute long videos like Bigfoot Vlog YouTube channel does.
Hey there, little buddy. Welcome to my neck of the woods. Hey there, little buddy. Hey there, little buddy. Welcome to my neck of the woods. Hey there, little buddy. Welcome to my neck of the woods.
You should use today's strategy to get Google VEO3 and make your own AI videos. Stay
Hey there, little buddy.
connected, I will show how you can get MasterCard if you don't have one. But make sure you cancel your subscription in the end of month. And those who don't have MasterCard, visit to this website and sign up and verify with your national ID card and get a free MasterCard. If you find Jet not support your country, you can create a virtual MasterCard with Payoneer. If you want a tutorial for a free MasterCard, you can comment below. If only 20 people ask, I will create a dedicated video. Thank you for watching, like, comment and share. Subscribe to my channel.